Reading Corner 1. Have you ever heard a SEO working robot? 1.1 Can you imagine what it means? 2. Read the following text and find out if you rewrite. Coworking robots. A new category of robots. Rethink Robotics is just months away. FR90M introducing a machine which is a typical example of a SEO working robot and which will likely rule the category for the foreseeable future. A SEO working robot is an industrial robot designed for smaller businesses and less rigorous tasks. Instead of welding car doors, coworking robots do simple manipulation of objects like picking them up and then putting them somewhere else. Imagine multiple buckets of specific Lego pieces, which need to be picked and placed into a single kit of diverse Lego pieces, or a mailer which need 4 different pieces of paper inside of it. As someone who has spent thousands of minimum wage hours doing simple sorting tasks, trying to keep my mind from wandering, I am glad the robots are finally taking over. This new machine won't get bored, and will turn humans into operators instead of simple cogs on an assembly line. Coworking robots are also easy to program, by definition. An industrial robot might spend an entire year doing the same task repeatedly, which makes bespoke programming worthwhile. In a small business, with smaller runs of products, and more generalized duties for employees, a robot might need to do a different thing each day. The new robot should be up to speed on a new chore in under 30 minutes. Safety is a new concern for robots. Industrial robots work inside a fence, but a coworking robot might work side by side with a human. The new robot is flush with sensors to identify potential human obstacles and interference. But safety isn't just limited to human-robot interaction. There are many simple tasks that take humans a long time, due to workplace safety best practices. For instance, working with a drill press, a human has to turn the machine entirely off every time he puts an object inside it, then turn the machine back on to press it, then switch the power off to remove, etc. Otherwise a lapse of attention could risk a limb. A SEO working robot, while valuable, is not irreplaceable, which makes edgier use of heavy machinery possible without endangering any human hand. Foreseeable to see or know in advance. Welding joining metal by melting their edges and pressing hard. Mailer a container, such as a cardboard tube, used to hold material to be mailed. Cogs subordinate members of an organization who perform necessary but usually minor or routine functions. Bespoke made to order.